As the day begins with the sunrise and doors of the HiMac opens for another fruitful day. As the staff bus arrives, the dynamic employees enter the door to give their expertise to the organization. Cleaned up offices, workplace and machines provide the freshness to all the employees and set their base to enter into the world of casting manufacturing. Again, in another day, 24 hours running plant is accelerated further. Team head meetings for previous day status provides the baseline in the morning to work for the day and plan activities in coming days. Radhe Group of Energy, founded by inspirational leadership of Dr. Sailesh Makaria in 1992, is India's leading private sector enterprise with business in multitude sectors like renewable energy, casting, food, packaging, corporate farming, herbal pharma and cosmetics, and socio-economic. The child from the mother, Radhe Group of Energy, Mac Castings Pvt Ltd, emerged with the vision of most preferred suppliers of casting by achieving fastest response to our customers, best quality of product, one-time delivery, customer satisfaction, and competitive prices. HiMac is the first in its class to start with high-pressure horizontal parted flaskless molding line in the state. With the state-of-art modern facilities, HiMac Casting provides the sand casting solution to the customers, demanding casting in ductile iron and cast iron since 2008. Foundry located at the state's finest industrial area, Metoda GIDC, Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation, also known as Lodhika Industrial Estate in the Gujarat state of India. From the available land reserve, HiMac is currently occupying only 25% of available land, and the full-fledged casting manufacturing infrastructure up to fully fettled casting. HiMac has all the in-house facilities from the tool manufacturing to complete physical and metallurgy testing lab. With its valuable customers from various industries like automobile, tractor, agriculture, refrigerator and compressor, submersible pumps, machine tools and other engineering. HiMac is also certified with ISO TS 16949 by TUV Sud since 2010. HiMac always believes in continual improvement, and hence we always upgrade the infrastructure, technology and expertise from time to time. HiMac is dedicated non-captive foundry with highly skilled executives and expert core team, taking care of individual processes. Tool design and development. HiMac has in-house tool shop having facilities like vertical machining center from Haas, CNC lathe from Jyoti CNC, radial drilling machine, milling machine and many more. Once the inquiry is received from customers, CFT team works together for the feasibility of the part. After conversion, the inquiry to order, the development activities are started in full-fledged. Required CAD models are generated for the tool manufacturing. Softcast simulation software system ensure the soundness of casting and making casting right at the first time. Purchasing. Purchasing at HiMac involves the activity of checking each element to its required standard and assure the proper material is inverted. This involves the activities like understanding the requirement of production, approaching the best suppliers, and getting materials before its planned consumption. We at HiMac work with first-in, first-out FIFO system to ensure the materials are consumed before expiry. As a part of lean management, stores keep the precise watch on minimum stock levels, keeping in mind the lead time of supply and consumption of available materials. Sand preparation. Molding sand is recycled by mixing the required additives and new sand up to only 3% with the help of fully automatic PLC controlled sand mixer from IRIC, Germany. Prepared sand parameters like compactability, GCS, moisture, permeability, etc. is checked for every batch in sand testing lab to ensure the required properties of sand before molding. Core making. Core is important part of casting internal profile, which further becomes very critical also in some castings like hydraulic part, case differential, gearbox and steering housing. HiMac has all three facilities of core making, that is cold box core process, shell core process and CO2 core process. After proper study of criticality of internal profile and requirement of casting per month, the core process are defined during tooling development stage. Molding. Heart of HiMac and Gujarat's first high-pressure horizontal parted flask-glass molding line from Koyo, Japan, with cake size 600 by 500 by 200 and mold rate of 120 molds per hour. PLC control of molding machines ensure the geometry and profile of castings to be controlled in very tight tolerances. In this dual station molding machine, prepared cores are put into one half of bottom molds to generate the internal profile of castings. Hardness of molds is ensured before transferring to pouring line to avoid the casting defects. Due to very high productivity, HiMac is able to supply the casting with the very short span. Melting. Dual Track Plus medium frequency induction furnace from Inductotherm. Each of 1.5 metric ton crucible is charged with the magnetic ring. Digital weighing scale mounted on magnetic ring ensure the proper amount of scrap and other elements are charged. Online CE meter ensure the prepared metal will make the casting as per the quality requirements. Furnaces with a melt rate of 2.7 tons per hour prepare the molten metal, which is further transferred to the treatment ladles for magnesium treatment with the help of hydraulic system. Treated metal is then transferred to pouring ladles, which is further taken to APT line. Pouring and solidification. After ensuring the pouring temperature in pouring ladles, ready molds are then poured with the molten metal and inoculants for providing required shape of casting and right metallurgy. Pouring area provides the flexibility of pouring in 3 consecutive lines, having 12 molds in each at a time. Test mass and chill samples are also taken to ensure the casting are made as per requirement, which also guides to accept or reject the poured heat. Pouring lines are further connected to cooling lines, which allows the molds to cool for 1 hour. Finally, shakeout separates the molding sand from casting bunch, which is transferred to decoring area. Cleaning and finishing. After decoring, casting bunch are then shot blasted to remove the extra sand stick on it. Further, degating process is carried out with hydraulic wedge cutting machine. Good castings are then processed to remove extra metals by fettling process. Visual inspection ensure the casting to proceed further for next operations. Finally, before dispatch, the samples from casting lot are checked with the predefined parameters for dimension and physical requirement. If any parameters are specifically defined by customer, then the same is being taken care before dispatch. Quality assurance. HiMac Quality Lab is furnished with international quality equipments like Shimadzu make tensile testing machine from Japan, spectrometer from Brucker, Germany, microscope with image analyzer from Japan, hardness testing machine, chemical analysis apparatus, and many more. All these testing equipments are calibrated timely. Furthermore, HiMac with the sky as its growing limit is now unstoppable to any future challenges. HiMac has always believed in what is known, become expert in it, and what is unknown, then know it. Continuous improvement in expertise of employees. HiMac arranges the required training session periodically by Foundry experts. As an encouragement to employees, HiMac also held the cultural activities time to time and lectures from top personalities in its fields. HiMac allows right quality product goes to customers, which is appreciated in returns by customers with awards. HiMac is emerging future foundry with the vision to become the best foundry in the world. But of course, keeping in mind by supplying quality products, on-time delivery and utmost customer satisfaction.